Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video I just want to make you all aware of the current sale that we have going on for our Signal service. We currently have a 25% sale due to the fact we are now celebrating a huge milestone of receiving 5,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So to say a huge thank you from myself and the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, we're now only charging $150 instead of the usual $199 for a year's membership to our trading Signal team. So if you do want to take advantage of this amazing offer, then please do not hesitate to visit our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. I'm going to leave the website link below this video in the description. So in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see, we've had a very interesting session today. We have now traded down towards 9,252. We were as low as 9,200, so we've had a bit of a pullback here in the Nasdaq 100. It's nothing really to be worried about. Why? That's because we're still trading in this nice uptrend that we've been in now for a couple of months. So unless we break below there, I'm still bullish. If we do break below the uptrend, then it's probably likely that we will trade towards that 9,000 to 8,900 mark, where we do come into contact with the 50-day EMA. You know, 9,000 should be seen as support, as we did find some resistance a couple of months back, and we did find some support there a couple of weeks back. But if we do break below the 50-day EMA, this is a bearish signal, and we will likely go trading down to the 200-day EMA at 8,370. You know, I would not mind this happening at all, because, you know, it's another great opportunity to pick up some value in the market. But as I mentioned before, I wouldn't really look too much into this. We've just had 2 bad days. You know, the stock market can't always go up. A lot of traders are worried because we did kind of form a shooting star in yesterday's session. But as I mentioned before, you know, these stocks, like the key stocks in the Nasdaq 100, which are Apple, Microsoft, Netflix, Google, Facebook, Tesla, you know, investors love these stocks. They have great forecasts for years to come for these stocks. So whenever there's a 2-3% discount in the market, as we're seeing today, you know, the Nasdaq is trading just over 2% to a downside, investors will hop back in and pick up these shares for a discount, and this should send the market back towards the all-time high at 9,755. So I am adding small buy positions on these little dips. I'm not investing a lot of money because still, when I zoom out and look at the overall picture, these stocks are still very expensive, especially that we're still in a pandemic at the moment. Most of the world is in lockdown, so I still do believe we are a little bit too expensive for where we are right now in terms of things in the world, and there's still a very high risk that there could be a second wave of the virus. So adding small positions, I think, works on the dip. In terms of the RSI, we're currently at 55, so we have cooled off since we were trading up at 65, which was approaching the overbought status. However, as I mentioned before, we have cooled off, and we are now find ourselves at 55, so we're neither overbought or oversold, and the market could run in either direction with plenty of momentum.